Welcome back, everyone. Happy 4th of July. So far, it's been hot and dry and breezy for this July 4th, and things are quiet on the radar. Should be dry tonight for the fireworks, but it has been a hot one. 104 right now in Rio Grande City. It is 93 in McAllen, 88 degrees in Brownsville, 87 the temperature in Port Isabel. Here's the forecast. We'll put the fireworks behind the graphic. 90 degrees at 7 p.m., 86 at 9 p.m. for the fireworks. Breezy and humid, and the partly cloudy at 11 o'clock tonight with temperatures in the lower 80s. The good news in the tropics, things are all quiet in the Atlantic Ocean, the Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. Out west, here's the Eastern Pacific. We are watching this area disturb weather well to the southwest of Mexico, which has an 80% chance of development in the next 5 days. And then to the west, here's Hurricane Barbara, but Barbara continues to weaken as it continues to move into colder Pacific waters. Latest numbers on Barbara, maximum winds are 100 miles per hour, so it's a Category 2 hurricane. But here's the official forecast track from the Hurricane Center. Barbara will continue to weaken this week, become an area of low pressure, an extratropical low, perhaps so if it affects Hawaii, would be as just a weakened system by the end of this week into next week. Back home in Texas, things are very quiet in the valley. We have high pressure aloft in the surface. That high is going to build into our area for the next few days, but it's a soggy 4th of July so far for the southeastern U.S. And then pretty nasty up north. We have tornado watches for parts of Colorado, including Denver, shown in the red with a stalled out front in the Rockies. For us, though, just dry for tonight and really hot for the next couple of days. Temperatures are currently in the lower 90s both in Austin and Dallas-Fort Worth, 88 degrees in Houston and Longview, 103 in Laredo, 89 in San Antonio, out west 94 in Midland, and 99 degrees in El Paso. So here's Future Track, and this is the upper level map, about 18,000 feet in altitude. That big upper high, the big blue H over the Gulf of Mexico, will build for the next few days into Texas. So for us, it's just hot and dry, or at least mainly dry for Saturday and Sunday. There may be a sea breeze shower in the afternoon, but just a 10% chance or less for that along the coast in the low valley. Most areas will stay dry for this weekend with high temperatures easily into the upper 90s. The high continues to dominate over Texas for this weekend as well as for next week, at least for the first half of next week. Now look over to the east. This model wants to perhaps develop an upper level low along the northeastern Gulf Coast by next Thursday and Friday. It's not anything to panic for us here in the valley, but just something to watch by the end of next week. We'll see what happens with this potential upper low by next Thursday and Friday in the Gulf of Mexico. Dry for tomorrow, mainly dry for your Saturday, and mainly dry as well on Sunday. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast at 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters are choppy. Small craft advisory continues through 9 o'clock this evening. The seas are 2 to 5 feet. Here's your first 4 and 5 AccuWeather forecast for the fireworks tonight. Dry, partly cloudy, breezy and warm with low temperatures in the upper 70s. Then for tomorrow, mostly sunny, hot and breezy. We'll have high temperatures in the upper 90s. That means high temperature should be in the triple digits for McAllen in the Upper Valley. If you're outside during the day tomorrow, really for this weekend, do take it easy. Drink lots and lots of water. We'll have winds out of the south to southeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Now, I mentioned the marine forecast. The rip current risk is moderate for the beach tomorrow and this weekend. So please do swim near a lifeguard and watch out for the jellyfish in the water. 7-day forecast looks like this. Upper 90s continue for your Saturday and Sunday. So we'll have partly cloudy skies in the morning, followed by mostly sunny skies for the afternoon. Upper 90s for Monday and Tuesday. It's just sunny, hot, and breezy for next week. Breezy on Wednesday, mostly sunny skies. We'll call for partly cloudy skies next Thursday with high temperatures still in the upper 90s. Meanwhile, the morning, those days stay very warm. It's muggy each morning and each night with temperatures right around 78 for Saturday and Sunday, 77 for Monday morning. That's your first 4 and 5 forecast. Now here's Ruben with a look at sports.